What is up, you guys? It's me, Thomas, the Sports News here. And the Toronto Maple Leafs have ended their 2-game losing streak. That is correct, folks. The Toronto Maple Leafs have beat the Carolina Hurricanes 4-1. And this game was a very good one, to my opinion. So the Toronto were coming from a terrible loss against the Boston Bruins. They're coming into the game for that loss, feel different person, because they haven't lost a 3-game losing streak in this season. As you can say, that's very good. So, what happened during the game? We're in like a 4-minute penalty for slashing against the face. He get 4-minute penalty. The Hurricanes get on the power play. They get no goals out of that power play. The Maple Leafs did a good job at clearing off the penalty during that power play. So that's how Maple Leafs went on power play. I can't remember his name on the team, but the Dolphins did not get a goal. Did not get a goal in that power play, but they did get a goal from Morgan Riley, Morgan Riley got a goal from Austin Matthews and William Nylander first assist of the year, but he doesn't get a point out of that, I think. So it was 1-0 Toronto. And then the Carolina Hurricanes scored the goal a few seconds later in the game. It was 1-1. And then a few minutes later, who scored Tyler Ellis got a goal in the game. So it was 2-0 Toronto. They were going to in the second period. There were no goals in that game. No goals in the game, so it was still 2-0. But and then Willie I get another penalty for holding. And I can tell when you get closer to the end of the game, you get tired. So Willie is not there yet, but it's going to take a while for him to get under his legs. But he at least got his shit. The third goal was in the third period. The third goal was Willie passed the ball. He hit the net. Willie gets a point out of that for his shit. I'll pass the ball, get a point. Well, goal tonight. So that was very good. Rush. And then, this is funny. Miss my really passer. I think John Tavares and William Leon is a good combination because they don't find where it could come from. Miss Mine was behind the net. Pass it out to Jonathan Miller. Excuse me. And then, he in the net 4-1. And I kind of knew it because of the game was over. The game was over. So the Maple Leafs won the game. They get 2 points. The game. It wasn't a game to watch. I'm very happy they win. As a Toronto Maple Leafs fan. But the next big test for the Toronto Maple Leafs, it will be on Thursday when Toronto will go against the Tampa Bay Lightning in Tampa on Thursday night. So that's gonna be a good game. Yeah, we will see what happens. Hopefully they win, but it's gonna be a tight game because the Tampa Bay Lightning is a very good team and they got good defense. But they are in winning mode right now because they're gonna have a hard time to keep all the players. I say that the Maple Leafs. But we'll see what happens on Thursday. Hopefully they win. Yeah, so we'll see. So we'll see what happens. So we'll see what happens on Thursday. And then on Saturday, the Maple Leafs will go to play against the Panthers on Saturday, so that's going to be a good game. So we will see what happens. So anyway guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you guys can follow me on YouTube. So we will see you guys tomorrow morning because I'm going to do the live video tomorrow. So I hope they win tonight. But we will see what happens. Anyways, I will see you guys tomorrow morning for the live video. And we will see what happens. Anyway guys, take care and have a good night.